By looking at the readings on the meter at the base level, you can just see very low readings. It's slight, which is a very safe, and we're getting 2, 3, maximum or peak of around 5. Okay, so now let's turn on this jawbone. This is the on button. Let's turn it on. And you can see what happened to the meter. It jumped up to 5,000, and it's extreme light. And I'll turn on the sound. You can hear that. So it's making quite a bit of sound. And so now it's pulsing as it searches for a connection with the Wi-Fi or with some other Bluetooth object. So that's the jawbone peaking at around 5,000. Now it's pulsing at around 1,000. And you can see in terms of what's safe, this is a guideline of the readings that comes with the Safe and Sound Pro. So you want to be in the green range, this light here, which is under a reading of 0.1, but that's very rare to get a reading that low. But definitely anything over 100 is not great, and over 1,000 is in the extreme category, which is what this speaker is doing. Okay, so let us turn it off and see what happens. Okay, so the speaker is now off, and you can see the meter is now quiet because the speaker is no longer searching for a signal, no longer sending out electromagnetic frequencies or electromagnetic radiation. So that's good. But it peaked at 5,000. All right, so let's reset the meter. And now we're going to unwrap this speaker, which is wrapped up in a special EMF blocking fabric. Okay, so you can see where the meter is. Let's unwrap this meter. Unwrap this speaker. Let's get this out of the way. You can see what's happening with the meter as I start to unwrap it. Look at that. There we go. Now, this speaker is actually turned off, ladies and gentlemen, and it's still pulsing, peaking at 17,000. Now let's see what happens when I actually turn it on. This is the on button here. I'm going to turn the speaker on. Now listen to that. Incredibly high, dangerous levels of electromagnetic radiation being emitted. Extreme level by the speaker. Okay, so let's turn it off and let's see what happens. Oh, okay, you can see it quieted down a little bit. I haven't turned it off yet. It's still on.